welcome to Rob's Fix-It Shop. Today I've got a mixer in here, and it goes up and locks, but then it doesn't lock in the down position. Maybe a little bit if you hold it. And so I think today what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at this weird mechanism here and see if I can figure out why it is not latching shut all the way. So if you're interested, hang around. It might be kind of an interesting fix. I don't know. So you can see it's got this weird, and it's loose in here, but I think it's supposed to be loose in there, but looks like it's got somewhere in there. Look in the bottom here. It looks like that concentric or that kind of indented axle there, right there, comes up here. It's supposed to catch in here. I wonder if this is just spread too far apart. I don't know. That might be the fix. We'll see. Okay, so here's how you get this thing apart, is that you need to get this little seat. There's a seat clamp right here, and I think you can kind of turn it and get a screwdriver underneath. Okay, and that comes out. Then once you've got that, this slides right out, and you can see that what that shaft looks like. And then you can see here, you want to take this thing out here. There's two screws here, and I think they're 3mm Allen wrench. Gets those guys out. And then that comes out. So there's the shaft. And it looks good. I mean, it's no wear at all on it. So I don't suspect it's that. And then if we look at this, it does look like there's some wear in there. And because I think when this is like this, it's supposed to be captured in place. But I think that this sticks out too far. But look how much gap we have there. I'm going to try just pressing this together. So we still have travel in there. And that does catch now. We still have a little bit of a, where it's worn there. Try pressing that in a little bit more. Yeah, that catches pretty nice now. And then, so I guess we just want it to travel easily in there. That's pretty flimsy. Well, I'm going to put it back together. That might fix it. And that means I could have done it while it was still apart, but, I mean, while it was still together, but we'll put it together and give it a try. Alright, let's see if we can get this back in there. Okay, we got our clip back on. That was pretty easy. Well, that looks like it was the fix. So you just need to squish these two parts back together. You might be able to do it with it in there in place, but yeah, I might oil that. That looks a little sticky in there. I might clean that up, but so that's all it took to get this mixer back working again. It's just kind of bending that in, and you might even be able to do it without disassembling it. I don't know. It's pretty stiff to be doing that, but it's not hard to get apart either. So, but it looks like it's working pretty good. I think I'm going to oil this up a little bit better. This thing's really messy, but it belonged to my mom, or it belongs to my mom, and she's loves to bake, and she grew up on a farm, so she does it in bulk. So she really wants this baby back and in good condition. So if you enjoyed the fix, please hit like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.